Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the CV90 Mk IV from Sweden. And welcome back with a new military ground machine, today with the CV90 Stridsfordon, I can't speak, sorry. I based my mock on the Mk4 variant, the latest available, an IFV infantry fighting vehicle, and we also have an APC armored personal carrier version that can be achieved with the parts that you can see here. So this is what you'll get with the instructions. Remember that in the caption video you can find the link to get the instructions to build this one and also my other designs, or get the full set, cheaper third-party solution if you want to save some money, or you can use the original ones that are more expensive, but I don't know, that's up to you. And also the playlist with my all other designs, so if you like this one you can check the others, they are divided by categories, so you should be able to find all my models. But let's concentrate on the CV90. As I was saying, with the mock you have here you can get both IFV and APC variant, and I'll show you very soon how. As usual, it's in the minifigure scale, so you can place minifigures inside and also here on top of the turret, but again I'll show you better very soon. Let's concentrate on the IFV first. The turret can obviously rotate 360 degrees. Let's point it in, I don't know, this direction, maybe. It looks nice. And it has some features. The first one, here we have the gun that you can aim up and a little bit down. Let's keep it up like this. Here on the top, this one is a camera sensor thing that can rotate 360 degrees, but also up and down like this. Then we have here some hatches. This can be opened for the minifigures. Now for this specific model, inside here you can fit the wall minifigure, so you have enough space to fit the minifigure inside. Maybe I can show you. This one can fit inside here like this, and it looks nice. For this other one, as you can see, we don't have space for it unless you do something brutal and remove this part of the minifigure. Only if you do this, you'll be able to connect the minifigure inside. Now the program is stupid, but that's it. One last feature we have for the turret, the coolest one. Here we have a missile launcher hidden. Beautiful. I think it's the best feature. It's really cool, hidden like this. These are all the features for the turret. Everything else is present also on the APC variant. One of the features present on both are the hatches here on the rear. First, you have the door. This one can be opened like this. You can see the inside, you can see a little bit of the turret. Or you can open the wall ramp like this. Again, you can see here the inside of the turret and a little bit of the driver position. Then you can open this other hatch on the top this way, and you can see the inside also from here. The turret can be disconnected completely. Once you disconnected the turret, the roof can be easily disconnected also to look inside the APC, IFV, depending on the variant you like most, and change some parts. First, you don't need this rotating part anymore because you don't have the turret, and you can cover it with this tile here. Then here the roof need to be changed a little bit with these parts because again you don't need this hole anymore. What we have to do is to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think, parts. They should be it. And from the bottom 1, 2, 3 and 4. and replace with this part here. Now that we have our new roof, this one can be positioned here again, and we have the APC variant. Here obviously you noticed we have an external machine gun. This one can be added or not depending on you. If you want it, you can remove this 2x2 tile and replace it with the turret like this. That obviously can rotate 360 degrees. You can aim up and down. It's the usual turret you can find also on my other models. We have another hatch here on the front. This one can be opened like this, and from here you can see the driver. That you have first to remove this part of the chassis, and if you do so, you can not only add our minifigure inside, but also see the engine, that I think is another little detail, very nice. Now let's reconnect this one again like this, and you can see the minifigure inside the driver in this case, and we can close this one again this way. I think I have shown you all the features of the CV90. Let me know what you think about this model and which one is your favorite variant, the APC or the IFV. Personally, I prefer the IFV, it looks cooler to me. Let me also know what you want to see next. I usually read all your comments, and this one was one of your requests, so that's up to you to let me know what I have to design next. And remember to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. And as usual, see you again next time with a new project. Bye!